Dear children, how do people entertain themselves? There are many ways to rejoice ourselves, such as music, sports, dance, and many more. Dear children, do you like to dance? Have you ever wondered how the tribal people spend their free time? Yes, by dancing to the tunes of their folk songs. It is not just a dance for them. It is the symbol of their festivity and culture. So, let us know more about the beautiful dances of northeastern regions of India. The text SGP 3. Blessed with lush greenery and the mighty river Brahmaputra, the people of Assam have a lot to celebrate. Bihus are among the major cultural festivals of Assam. They are a series of 3 prominent festivals: Rongali Bihu, Kongali Bihu, and Bhogali Bihu. Rongali Bihu, also known as Bohag Bihu, is celebrated in mid-April with the onset of spring and the beginning of sowing season. It also marks the start of a new year there. Kongali or Kati Bihu is celebrated in mid-October when the fields are lush but the barns are empty. On this occasion, people light lamps and pray to God for a thriving harvest season and to guide souls to heaven. Bhogali Bihu, called Magh Bihu, is observed in mid-January. The festival symbolizes the end of the harvest season. It is a thanksgiving when the crops have been harvested and the barns are full. Any Bihu celebration is considered incomplete without melodious folk songs and traditional dance. The Bihu dance is a joyous one. Young men and women get in their best traditional attire and perform the dance with brisk steps and hand movement. The tune of traditional musical instruments including cymbals, bamboo clapper, dhol, which is similar to a drum, and the pepa, which is a wind instrument made of buffalo horn, add different kind of flavor to the dance as well as the atmosphere. The songs have been handed down through many generations. Notes and glossary. SGP 3. Lush, dense. Greenery, green foliage. Mighty, great, powerful. Major, important. Barn, a place to store grain. Khomaro. Prominent, important. Onset, beginning of something. Thriving, prospering. Harvest, to yield. Amala kariba. Melodious, pleasant to hear. Joyous, festive, a state of happiness. Attire, dressing or clothing. Brisk, quick and energetic. Cymbals, a pair of round metal musical instrument. Bamboo clapper, a musical instrument made of bamboo. Pepa, a musical instrument made of buffalo horns. Flavor, the quality of taste or smell. Hand down, transfer from generation to generation. Summary. SGP 3. Assam A state amongst the 7 sisters of India is a paradise on earth. It is blessed with the mighty river Brahmaputra. People of Assam celebrate many festivals. One of the major festivals they celebrate with much enthusiasm is Bihu. Bihu is a series of 3 festivals, namely Rongali Bihu, Kongali Bihu and Bhogali Bihu. Rongali Bihu, also known as Bohag Bihu, is celebrated in the mid-April. It marks the beginning of spring season. People start sowing their crop fields. It is a New Year festival. Kongali Bihu or Kati Bihu is celebrated when the fields are filled with crops and look lush green. The barns are empty. People light lamps and pray God for a great harvest. Bhogali Bihu or Magh Bihu is celebrated in mid-January. It marks the end of harvest season. It is a thanksgiving to the god. Children, people of Assam celebrate Bihu wearing traditional dresses. The dance steps are full of energy. They use musical instruments such as cymbals, bamboo clappers, dhol and pepa. The traditional songs are transformed from one generation to other. Now children, answer these questions. What is the most important festival of Assam? What are the different kinds of Bihu festivals? When is Rongali Bihu celebrated? When is Kati Bihu celebrated? What do people do during Kongali Bihu? When is Magh Bihu observed? Which musical instruments are played during Bihu dance? Now dear children, the answers to these questions are as follows. The most important festival of Assam is Bihu. The different kinds of Bihu festivals are Rongali Bihu, Kongali Bihu and Bhogali Bihu. Rongali Bihu is celebrated in mid-April with the onset of spring season. Kati Bihu or Kongali Bihu is celebrated in mid-October when the fields are lush. During Kongali Bihu, people light lamps and pray to God for a good harvest and to guide souls to heaven. Magh Bihu is observed in mid-January. And the last, musical instruments such as cymbals, bamboo clappers, dhol and pepa are played during Bihu dance. Thank you.